Oh, that's cool.
Ooh.
What's up, everybody? So I got these plastic containers here. Well, they're plastic lids, a few bowls, and this big old box of garland. This big old box of garland. So with all my Nightmare Before Christmas cutouts that I have outside, I want to make the Nightmare Before Christmas wreath for the door. So let's get started. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Love you, Santa.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is basically, this is like a wired garland. I'm just gonna shape it into the wreath the size of the door, and then basically I'm just gonna decorate it like the Nightmare Before Christmas with the yellow eyes, and possibly make something where the bow goes, and then make the teeth out of the white plastic lids that I have from the storage containers, and that's pretty much gonna be it. So I'll take you step by step on how I do it, but again, it's really not going to be a DIY because it's a really easy project. I'm just going to take you along with the process of my build. So enjoy. Check it out, you guys. Come on.
Ugh, I'm blind.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh. Cool.
That's super cool. That's super
I don't think Johnny can see it. Can you see it, Mama?
No,
Look up.
the sun.
Stand right here. Back up a little bit. Back up. Right here. Right here. Right there. Look up now.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
One. Yeah.
Good job, you guys.
Yeah.
We.
Do I get a thumbs up again?
Yeah.
Which one you like more, this one or the Pennywise?
This one, definitely.
This
Definitely this one. Pennywise, no, I don't like it.
I'll vote for Pennywise and this one too.
Yeah?
I like the seesaw one. I like the wheel.
Only thing left is to see what it looks like at night. Look at me, now we got teeth.
Teeth.
I mean eyes.
I was like, we're at teeth.
Now you have the eyes. Look at that, you guys. That's what he was missing. You see it, Janet? He's got eyes now.
Let me see.
Way better?
Yeah.
Almost forgot his eyes. Now he can see who he's gonna eat.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah. Now we can see what it looks like at night. Who's closing it?
Me.
Close it out. Peace.
Chesterton.
Close it out with your forehead, honey. Turn it around. Close
Let's
it out with your
play
forehead.
out here.